Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. So to do this is pretty simple. So here I'm in Microsoft Outlook, just go to your settings. From there you will have to go to your compose and reply. If you cannot locate it, just search for signature in here in the settings button right here. So here you want to create a new signature. So you want to edit the signature name, so let's just go with test for now. And then here you'll place your name, of course. So let's just place my name right here so that we can compose it as my own here my own signature. So here just go ahead and place my name and then place like your title or something. So here you can even attach images or even outline it and even put it in capitalization, place it in bold. It depends on your liking. So let's just say I want it like this only. So here you can select the default signatures from there and the message format, and it will always compose in HTML format or just plain text right here. So you can choose to reply or reply all. So there's going to be a link preview right here if you want a preview link in emails. So you can also do undo send. So messages can be cancelled for up to 10 seconds once you send them. So this is going to be useful. It's going to be your unsend button. And then from there, just press save. And then now you have your own email signature. It's just that simple. So that is how you make an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.